Introducing MarsBack, a mechanical wireless keyboard with customizable RGB backlight designed for gamers, designers, programmers, and anyone else who likes to enhance the time spending on their computers. MarsBack is using a CNC handcrafted body with a translucent opaline PC material, turning the keyboard into a kind of atmospheric light. Besides the 84 LED lights on the switch, we specially designed 21 extra ground lights on the base, fully customizable so you can match whatever style works best for you. The light at the body and the keys can be controlled separately, allowing you to customize different lighting setups for both areas. To adjust to your individual look, you can either use shortcuts on the keyboard or our own developed MarsBack Pro software. It's super easy to use and fun to play around. We even added a lot of additional features such as a follow music effect, enter mode, and customizable shortcuts. Our own designed MarsBack switches adopt the square transparent shell and the cross blue axis design with highlight transmission performance, light and short on touch, doubled lubrication so that the feeling of pressing will be very smooth and comfortable to use. MarsBack is using an ergonomic gradient design, rising the height of about 2/3 from the random keycap on the market, resulting in a special effect of light transmission. And you can easily customize switches and keycaps according to your preference and change to your favorite style anytime you want. We have put a lot of passion into the design and development of MarsBack and are proud to present an innovative and unique product. Now, we are ready for mass production, so please support us and get your MarsBack now.